So Cloud CMA, once you've created a template and you've created your CMA, you can view it in a PDF, which I've shown you in the previous slots. You can also do a slideshow, and the slideshow is simple. Basically just follow the arrows, and you can do this in front of the client on a laptop or whatever utilities you have. You can work with that. Here's a house that you want to show and compare, and at the bottom down here you can always show the other pictures of the property. Go back to the top, discuss the property, some of the information regarding the property, show a little bit more. Wow, they've got a trailer in that particular one. Maybe I'll show you. So Shannon, it's a different property compared to the one I was talking about. And that's basically it as far as a slideshow. And you can also present the PDF version of it. Other than that, this part here, request for an offer, is to do with having investors making an offer on the property sight unseen. We'll talk about that in another tutorial, but right now I just want to give you this heads up about creating a CMA and how you create a CMA. I'll show you that creating a CMA from MLS. That's also will be in another tutorial. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.